Alright, we're gonna install these Three Brother anti-foams. These are their 1.9 dual stage, and I've already installed a pair of these, and I really like the way they feel. So yeah, but what I really want to do is show their other product. They have this, it's called a tuning ring is what they call it. And you know, when you install these, they can go either way. They're not a bias to them. But these tuning rings, when you look at them, they're definitely designed for this to be the outer side. I don't know if you can see that, but it's definitely shaped so that this is the outer side. So anyway, we're going to install these, and let's get into it. Alright, so I've identified that this is going to be the outside of my tire on both of them. These are just some Proline trenchers. So we got the outside facing down, we got the outside of the tuning ring facing down. I'm going to fit that in there. Goes in pretty easy. And there you go, that's it. Now it's facing down. Alright, let's throw it in this other tire real quick. Facing down, facing down. Alright, that's in there. Alright, now we're going to throw these anti-foam dual stages in. I'll just save the bag. When these bags come in with these resealable tops, I like to save them for, you know, other items like these spare foams I have over here. Just keeps everything from flying around. So I'll keep these bags. Take them to the next comp that I go to, and see if I can trade them or give them away to a new guy. You always want to support your local hobby shops, and you always want to support the new guys in there. So you can see these dual stages, I like them. You can see when it crushes that outside first, and then it gets into the next one. And then they have these tuning rods that you can stick in along here or around here if you feel like you need to stiffen it up at all. We're gonna make sure everything's okay. Just gonna fold them in real quick. Pick up that lip. Let it expand back out. There you go. Throw this other one in real quick. Alright, you can really tell that fills that little 1.9 4.75 tire up.